Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share very important and useful information regarding industrial training to all the diploma students. So here the useful information is most of the students will choose the industrial training in one or other way, and everyone believe that whatever the direction that they are following is the right direction, and they think that they are getting benefit because of training as part of industrial training. And by the time they realize that once they complete the training, it's totally disappointing for them. And because of lack of knowledge, awareness, and there is no proper guidance to the students. So here they are taking the wrong steps and following a different path, due to which they are getting so many failures. So I want to share very useful information so that everyone will get the right knowledge and the right information, and they can choose the training as per their convenience, and also they get most benefit from the training period. So, what I'm going to share is how the training will be chosen by every student, and what is their expectation, and what they are getting in the real time. That's what I'm going to share in this video. And there are different approaches why students choose the industrial training, and they follow different directions. Out of which there are the top five approaches through which they get the industrial training, and they complete the training period in these five approaches. So the first and foremost approach is everyone will take the training as they want to learn something. So because of which they approach some institute, and they take the some kind of courses. That means for entire 6 months of industrial training, they just learn certain kind of codes. But you all have to understand that industrial training is not the not to learn only courses. It is not the right way of choosing the training, because that is not the intention of the board to have the industrial training as part of your curriculum. So what everyone is doing, they are buying certain kind of course from XYZ institutes, and like they are learning some courses like C++, Java language, maybe embedded systems language, some kind of course they will learn. So during the course, what they do, they learn some fundamentals, they understand them, and they may do some kind of project, or if they have not done those kind of projects, and documentation will be provided by the training center itself. That's what is really happening. But if you choose any institute or any industry for the training, if you, even though they're offering courses, you need to look at that, is there any real time products that will be designed in the company, is there any real time projects they are designing. So if that is the case, if you involve in those kind of real time product designing, definitely you will learn so many things. That is the actual intention of the board, that you are involved in the industrial exposure. Okay. And you can learn so many things because you have been involved in the real projects. That's what you have to look at, not just courses. So don't buy the courses from the institute as part of training. And even though they say that they give the certificate after the training, you whatever course you have learned, because nowadays you get the same kind of courses everywhere with the cheapest cost. Okay. So don't go in that direction. So another approach is most of the students as part of training, they just have the focus on the certificate itself. They join some institute, and if they get the certificate, that's they think that that is more than enough. But you should not choose that direction, because as part of training you have to learn something. Even how much time you spend is not the important, but how much quality of time you are investing for the learning the advanced skills. And that means you need to involve yourself in learning the practical knowledge. That's the main important, not the certificate, because certificate is only it will show you that you have done certain training, that's it, but it will not give you any knowledge, and it will not help you in future for your career also. So you should not approach only to focus on certificates. So if anyone is offering such kind of thing, also you should know, you should ignore them, because with the same price or with the same amount of time that you are investing, if you are able to learn the skills as well as if you are getting the certificate after the training, you need to choose that one. That means it's not that you are wasting most of the time for the training. It's not like that. There are very good institutes in the industries with a little time if you spend, you will be involved in the advanced product designing. Okay, so that means innovations will happen in industries by the students. So choose accordingly, not focus on the certificate. Okay. Another point, everyone think that if I join any government company, I'll get the certificate from the government company, and that certificate has a huge value, and due to that certificate I may get the government job in future because I have done the industrial training in the government company. For example, someone may think that I have done industrial training at DRDO, RCI, CITD, or NSIC, ECAL. So many PSU companies as well as government companies are there, which they are providing industrial training, internship programs also. And what you learn in those companies are very fundamentals. Certain subjects will be there for them, and they are specialized experts will be there, and they will train you in some subjects, and you will not go at high level to learn those concepts because you will not get the enough opportunity in those companies. That is one thing. Another thing, even though they provide the certificate for you, but that certificate will not help you in career anywhere else, because if you want to get any government job, you need to write the exam that will be conducted by the company, and you need to attend the interview and crack the interview, then only you'll get the job. If you did not have interview also, you need to go for exam and be in the merit list, then only you'll get the government job.